So this is a 2-bedroom unit, 30 square meters. Yan siya. 2-bedroom na siya. Ayan. Then this is the bathroom. And this is the first bedroom. Yan. Yan siya. And the second bedroom. Yan. Ganda niya. So, wala na kayong gagawin. So, once you move in, basic furnitures and appliances lang ang need natin. Livable na siya.